Hi everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make a drawing machine on scratch. So we're going to use the pen today and let's start. So this is the sprite, this is the crab that we are going to use to draw. It only has one costume, crab A. So let's start with when green fax, click it. Go to X0 and Y0. Let me just zoom like that. And then point in direction 0 like that. After that go to pen and select pen up, also erase all, and then after erase all, pen up, set pen color to 100. Also, set pen size to 5. Like that. And then, go to controls and add a forever block. After that, if block. Go to sensing, key space press it. Go to motion, move 10 steps. Like that. Drag it here, also go to controls. If block, and now we're going to make it how to insert pen or not. So if let's see, let's just say key 1, press it. 1, it will pen down. Duplicate this one. I'm sorry, just put it there. Delete it. Duplicate. If key 0 press it, then it will pen up. Put it in here. Also go to controls again, add another if 2 times. Go to sensing, if key right arrow, press it. Also this one. If key left arrow, press it, it will turn 5 degrees. If you press right arrow, it will turn 5 degrees, but if you press left arrow, it will turn also 5 degrees. Like that. Let's test it. Just put it in here. Okay, it's working. Let's pen down, press 1. It's working. Like that. And pen up. Like that. We have triangle. Okay, stop. Now, what if you want to change color of the pen? So you just go to if again. If, let's see, key 4, press it. It will change pen color by 1. Duplicate. Okay, sorry, delete one. Duplicate this one. If key 3, press it, change color, pen color by -1. Put it in the forever block. Sorry. Like that. Let's test it. Okay. Pen up, pen down. Okay, the color is red. I'm going to press 4 now, and let's see. As you can see, the color change is pink now. Let's test it again, and now it's green, like that. Okay, changing color is working. Now, what if you want to change? What if you want to erase all? What if you want to erase all your drawings? Okay, so we go to controls again, and then if block. if key 5 pressed, let's just go with 5, it will erase all that. But you can also stamp using the pen block, using this block, stamp block. Let's see. Yeah, you can stamp, but how do you want to stamp? Just go to sensing, if key, let's go with T. Where's T? If key T press it will stamp. Let's test it. Okay, let's do this. Pen down. Okay, like that. What if we want to stamp? So let's test the stamp. Just give me a second. Press T to stamp, like that. It's stamping all around, as you can see. Wow, it's actually awesome. Let's stamp again. Yeah, you could make circles like that. Let's draw something. How about we draw a square? Okay, I'll just go to this position. Pen up, press 1. Okay, it's not really square. Okay, and then go down. Oops. Oh no. It's okay. You can also draw a circle. Let me teach you how to draw a circle. Okay, just never mind that. Just go to the bottom first. Here. Okay, now pen down, and let's do this. And there we go. You have to circle like that. Okay, friends, that is all how you make drawing machine on Scratch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.